Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the hero block. This block allows you to create a full width image, a slideshow of multiple images, or an embedded YouTube video that spans the full width of a row. I'll create an example of each so we can see what they all look like. The first step is to create the block, so I'll go to Add Content, I'll select Blocks, Row Blocks, scroll down and select Hero. And I'll expand this to full screen, and I will update, or I'll change this name. So the first one we're doing is single image. This is the name of the block. This is how it'll appear in the asset tree. And the next step is to select a type. There's a drop-down menu here, so I'm going to select single image. And there's an optional field for screen reader only H1. This is an H1 that will appear for somebody if they are using a screen reader. So I'm doing a picture of the grizzly bear statue decorated for its 50th birthday. So I'm going to say grizzly bear statue decorated for 50th birthday. And I'm actually going to copy that because I'll use that as my alt text. The next thing is to select the image, so I click Choose File, and there's my image. Click Choose, and then I add in the image alt tag, which I would just use the same text I use for the screen reader H1. And this is descriptive text, so if somebody is using a screen reader, they will know what this is an image of. So there we go, that's all we need to do for this one. I will click Preview Draft. And here's all the information for that block. I'll click Submit, add any comments if necessary, and then submit again. Okay, and there's our first block. The next one I'm going to do is the image slider, so I will go back up to Add Content. I'll choose Blocks, Row Blocks, back down to Hero. I'll expand that. And I will call this one image slider. It's always worth naming your block something specific so you know what they are when you go to attach them to your page. Now in the type field, in the drop down, I will select image slider. And then I'm just gonna say images, or I don't need that actually, but University of Montana campus. So the first image is right here. I'm going to select that. So I'll go to Choose File. And I've got one of main hall with jumbo in the back. So I'll select that. Click Choose. And then I need to add my alt text. So I'm going to say main hall with Mount Jumbo in background. And there's our first one. Now if I want to add an image to the slideshow, I just click on the green plus symbol there. And I will choose this one. Let's see, I have another main hall. Yeah, main hall fireworks. So I'm going to say fireworks around main hall. There we go, and I'm gonna do one more. So I open that up and I will choose the file. And I think this one is a hammock. There's a couple of students in a hammock. There we go, main hall, sunny hammock. And I'm gonna say students laying in hammock. In front of main hall. Okay, so there we go. That block is finished, so I'll click Preview Draft. And we can see the three images there. I click Submit, add any comments I might need to, and then submit again. Okay, one more. So I will add content. This is the YouTube video. So add content, blocks, row blocks, back down to Hero. And I'll expand to full screen. Now this one is going to be hero dash YouTube. So in the type, I'm going to select YouTube, and this is an aerial tour of, well, I'll say UM campus. Now the next thing, this is the only sort of tricky part here. I need to put in the YouTube video ID. Now what the ID is here, I'll show you. I'm going to paste in the full URL there. So it's youtube.com/watch. The ID is everything after this $V equals. I'll highlight this so we can see that. So the ID is everything after that. So actually, I just want to delete all that. And that's our ID. And that will bring in a still of the video, and then it will link to that as well. So I'll click Preview Draft. Submit comments, submit again, and there we go. There's our 3 blocks. So the only thing left to do is attach these to our page. So I'll go into my blocks folder where I have all these demo pages. Here's the hero page I set up. And there it is. I will click Edit, go to full screen, and the first row, I'm just going to give this label here, hero single image. Content type is row block. So there we go. And I just need to choose the block now. So choose block, hero single image. There we go, and that's our first one attached. So I just need to add 2 more rows now. So I'm gonna add 1 more this way. Click on the green plus symbol, and this is hero slider, as well image slider. The content type needs to be row block, choose block, hero image slider. Click choose again. And just add 1 more row, so I click on the green plus symbol again. Label, this is hero YouTube. Content type to row block. And then I just choose the block. Here we go, hero YouTube. I click choose. I'll preview the draft. Just give this a moment for it to render. And there we go. So here's the block with the single image. It's Grizzly Bear and the 50th birthday celebrations or decorations. Here is the image slider. So these are just pictures of campus. And here is the YouTube video. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.